Hello, welcome to Watsamatta Kitchen. My name is Dave Termini, and I'm going to show you a special dish my mother used to make for us when we were kids. And don't knock it till you try this dish. Cauliflower spaghetti. Once you try it, I think you'll like it, especially if you like cauliflower. Okay, so the ingredients are, of course, cauliflower, an onion, salt, pepper, garlic, and olive oil. Now I use a very good olive oil. I use Atlas olive oil. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's the best. At any rate, you can use any olive oil, okay? But you gotta use olive oil. So what I'm gonna do now, to get started, I've got my garlic ready. I'm gonna crush my garlic with a garlic crusher. And I've got the salt and pepper. And sometimes I'll even add a little bit of garlic powder just to knock it up, just knock it up a little bit with garlic. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this onion. Now, I love onions. If I was making this just for myself, I would put 2 of these onions in here. But at any rate, so I like to just cut them in half. Get them peeled. I like them a little large. When I slice them up, I'm going to go ahead and just do them a little bit large. And we'll throw these in the pot. Here. And same with the next one. Try to get them peeled before I cry. I feel it creeping up on me. Any rate, okay. So you got the garlic, the onions in here. So we've got it on low. It's a slow cooked dish. Don't want to cook it too fast. Okay, so we've got the onions. We've got the garlic, the cauliflower, okay? Got that all in there. And now, olive oil. I love olive oil and I use a lot of it. Some people don't, but I do. Come on. Oh, then tell me this was a new bottle. Okay, let me, I'll have to edit this out. I ordered this on Amazon, this good olive oil. It's great, but it's hard to get now. Alrighty, so I'll start with a few dribbles. Okay, and I will stir this up a little bit. Okay, let's get it in there nice. And we've got our pepper, a little bit of pepper, not much. Pepper and salt to your taste, got some salt here. A little of that, a little of this. Okay, I like a little extra pepper. Okay, now, here's the garlic. So we're gonna put all of this in here at once, which is cool. It's an easy dish to make, and it just takes a little patience. You gotta wait for it. You gotta let it cook and get soft. We'll do our garlic. We love garlic in this house, so. I like to do the press. I think you get more for your garlic when you do a press. You get a lot of flavor out of it. More. All right. Okay, we got our garlic. Do a little bit of a mix here. Once it gets soft, we'll be mixing it occasionally, move it around a little bit. You want your cauliflower to get soft, and we're going to put a lid on it. And after it gets semi-soft, we're going to take that lid off because we don't want to have too much moisture. We want this to work down. And you'll find occasionally, or you will find that as this cooks, you're going to get some of the cauliflower is going to get really browned on one side, so you got to keep it stirring. But that browned cauliflower really is good. It adds taste to have a little bit of it, slightly, I wouldn't say burnt, but slightly brown. So we've got this going now. I can hear it. I got it on like medium. You gotta keep an eye on it. You don't want to cook too fast. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on. And about every 3 or 4 minutes, about every 5 minutes, I'm going to stir this so it gets soft. So we'll be back in a little while to show you how it looks when it's half cooked, and then we'll show you how it looks when it's cooked. Thanks for watching What's the Matter You Cooking. If you like it, if you like this, like me on Facebook because and YouTube. Like me and subscribe. I'm a woodworker and I've got lots of videos and cool stuff I'm putting up. You might enjoy looking at my stuff. Again, my name's David Termini. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, we're back. We've been about 5 minutes. I want to show you what's going on, and I'm going to give it a little stir and then just leave it back to do its thing. Come on down here and check. Okay, you can see it's beautifully cooking. It's cooking beautiful. It smells delicious. I'll give it a stir. You know, I can smell that garlic. I can smell the onion, the cauliflower. Oh, it's all coming together. And it's even getting brown. A little bit of brown is showing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the temperature down just a little bit because I want this to cook a little slower. So you want to be patient. I'm just a little above low right now. So we'll be back in a little while and check it again for another 10 minutes or so. Okay, we're back. Now it's been about, I'd say 20 minutes we've been cooking, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So if you would come down this way, my lovely little wife that's doing the camera work. All right. Okay, now you can see it's beautifully, smells beautiful, and it's soft, very soft, which is good, okay? So now we're gonna leave the, what I wanna do with this now, I'm going to leave the lid off because I want to get rid of some of that moisture. It's a little wet, okay? So what I will do though, I always do this around halfway, is I add just a little bit more olive oil. You just can't go wrong with this. So we'll give it a touch more olive oil. And I want that cauliflower to brown up a little bit. So I'm going to turn the temperature up a little bit and keep an eye on it and stir it as it, you know, every now and then, keep an eye. But I want it to cook more. And at that point, once it starts browning, you know it's almost done. So we'll be back in about 10 minutes and take another look at it. Thanks for watching. We're at the point now where we have the cauliflower just the way I like it. You want to just mix it gently and move it around. As you can see, it's getting nice and brown on some sides, which is good. And we're just about done at this point, so hang in there and we'll get this on top of some spaghetti. And we like to put a little Parmesan cheese on top, and sometimes I even dribble a little extra olive oil on it. And you want to really make sure you get everything on the bottom scraped up because that's got a lot of flavor in it too. So we'll get back soon and get this served out. Okay, welcome back. We're ready to serve. Let me get some pasta in the dishes. Here. Nice, fresh pasta. Alrighty. Okay. Now, where's my spoon? Where's my spoon? All right, here we go. As you can see, this, come close here, you see this nice, beautiful cauliflower. It's got the nice brown, a little bit of it cooked over texture, beautiful texture. Alrighty, and we'll put this over here. Now we're gonna have just some delicious fresh cheese. Oh yeah. And she's done. We'll take it and put it over here. And dinner is served. If you like this dish, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of it. And leave me a like if you like me, and subscribe to me, because I'm going to make a lot of my other recipes. I'm retired now, so I have a lot of time to make my mother's recipes, and I want to share them with everybody. So thank you so much for watching What's the Matter You Cooking, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.